Continued droughts and elevated temperatures are causing issues for many homeowners, especially those along the coastal parishes, where we're seeing saltwater intrusion coming into the Mississippi from the Gulf. Now, this can cause problems if the saltwater intrusion does continue to go up, and as we go into the driest months of the year, which October is traditionally one of our driest months of the year, we may see more saltwater accumulation. Now, what does that mean for home gardeners? Well, we don't need to panic about it. Salt is highly mobile in the soil. One thing that we can do is collect rainwater when we do have rainwater, and because that salt is highly mobile, when we do get rain, it will wash out of the soil. Now, collect water. Make note of those types of plants that do have issues with salt intolerance. So things like camellias and boxwoods, azaleas, we may see more damage on those types of plants. Now, what does that damage look like? Well, it's very similar to what happens when plants are in drought. We will begin to see the leaves brown or scorch along the margins of the leaves, and we'll have that saltwater buildup, which will lead to a decrease in nutrient and water uptake in the plants. So home gardeners, don't panic. Collect fresh water where you can. Where you see salt accumulation, when you have fresh water, it can be easily dissolved. And for more information on salt-tolerant plants, contact the LSU AgCenter. For In the Garden, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.